the 13th. It's legit Friday the 13th. Where's Jason? Where's Pennywise and stuff? Oh my god. As you guys know, it's a Sunday, so I might wake up at 3 a.m. Did I just see something? That's the pool. Okay. What is that? What is that? Legit, what is that? What is that? Small. Is that red hair? Wait, where is it? Where did it go? Guys, watch out in 3 a.m. Jason might come. Jason Moorhead. It's God. I'm pretty scared because there's legit a lake near. I mean, like a pond nearby. So yeah. I just heard something. I heard like a. Oh no, you guys heard that right? I did. We're gonna be